Hey guys, it's Clay back, and today I'm going to be joined with Zane. He's not with me right now. He's going to meet up with me later, but we're going to go down to a brackish water creek near my house, hopefully catch some gar, snook, bass, whatever is going to bite. We even caught some crabs there before, but we need to go get some live bluegill, and we'll be out there. Just catching some bait out here with the cast net. Let's get over here with the brush. Sorry, Jaden, that we're using your cast net that you left here. Nice. So we got anything? Got anything this cast? Still a nice cast. Oh, yep, we got one. A nice little bluegill here. Oh, yep, we got two. So we'll get back to it now fishing. No, they still got it. What is it? It's a gar. It's a snook. It's a snook. We just got a snook. Oh, let's be careful with this gill place. We just had it on. Oh, look at this. This is on a live bluegill too. Here, can I? Oh my gosh.
It's so cool.
Oh, this is sick.
Don't throw it back in. I need to get a picture.
Well, Zane, just be careful with gill plates. Oh, he just tried to bite me, but this is a nice snook. Oh, we saw him come up the first time and take it, and then he lost it. And then I'm gonna see if I can get one. We've had a couple gar on. We just had it off video because the cat's not regular. We just keep watching him take our bluegill. Time for the release here. Watch me get hooked up on a fish on camera when they're trying to get the release. Let me bring this up before you. Alright, come on, let's get. Is that the same one you missed? Zane's got a big old gar running with this bait right now. Does he still have it? I don't know. Here, yeah, he still has it. He still has it. You wanna bring it? Here, get it. You got it. There he is. Look, there he is. Here, bring it down here. You got it. You got it. You got a gar. Oh. It's like a 24-inch snook, I'd say. Thing is fat. I thought gar were way skinnier. Alright, let's come down here. Let's get him out of here. Alright. This is a couple seconds later. I have a gar on right now. I just watched him take it. It's a big old one. See him? He still got it. I think he's got it. I got him. I got him!
Whoa.
Get him up now! Get him, come!
Come on.
I got him! Let's go! My first ever gar! 2 gar. Let's go! No. Okay, so I'm gonna get the hook out here. This is my gar. This is only a couple cast after Zane's. Like literally, how many casts? Oh, he just snapped the line, whatever. Guess I have a couple extra hooks to me. But this is amazing. Here, I'm gonna get the release of my fish. This is like, I wish I had my tape measure in me. It's probably like a 24-incher. This is my first ever, oh my god, this thing's have power. My first ever gar, but he definitely wants to get out of here. So, just get him out. Where did you let yours go at? Right here? Okay. You got one thing, I think. No, okay. I'm just gonna come down here. Right. Oh, there, wait, he's about to go. Wait, he hasn't gone yet. Just came back to my house to get some snacks. We're gonna go restock on bait. Just got these nice chips. I got a big old gar on. I don't know if he's still on or not. Got him! Oh my god, this is a big one.
Bring it over here. That's nice.
Oh, he just came off. Oh my gosh, that's a big snook, gar. Get him up. You got him! Nice. That's bigger. That's definitely bigger. Not way, but that's bigger. That is a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, nice, guys. He's probably about... Oh, I got the measuring thing with me. Zane. Alright, let's measure in here. I'm thinking 26 inches. I might be horribly wrong, because I don't know. No, bigger than 23. Flopping jellyfish. Here. Hold it out straight.
23.
No, 25. Look at this, guys. 25 inches. Over 2 foot gar right here. Spotted gar. Like, that is so nice. We'll get back to you when you have a second. So I need to cut the hook here because it's stuck really bad. This is Zane's second ever gar of his life. Thing. See this guy's teeth. My mom wanted to see him really bad. So I don't know how well you can see him. Yeah, you guys can pray. Alright. Alright, we're gonna get the release here, guys. Can I do it for you? Oh, same spot. Another guard just inhaled it. Okay, still on, definitely. Ooh. Got him. If I lose this guard. Oh my gosh, I just... How... Zane just got a monster. Oh my gosh.
First cast.
That... Alright, let's go measure this one. Measure this one up. Let's measure this guy up here. Alright. It's oops, hold it. Oh god. That thing just tried to bite me. Alright, hold on. Alright, there we go. Alright, so it's 25 and a half. I think I got something on right now. I saw him swirl on it. His? I'm gonna feel if he's still on. Oh yeah, he's definitely still on. No, not to my mind on that a lot. Yeah, definitely. I can tell by how he's taking it. He's definitely... No. Cause I'm pulling on it. Look at this. Look, he's about to start going. No, don't cast out. Look, he's taking out quick. Oh crap, this is a nice fish. Oh, this is a nice fish. No, it's not a snook. It's just a nice guard. Look, he's gonna come off right here, just like every time. Got him! I just got him. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. It's an okay size one. This is one, might have been one of the smallest ones of the day, but still a great catch. How many? We've got 5 guard today. Oh, he snapped my line right here. Alright, he just snapped my line right here, but where's my measure thing? Alright, let's measure this guy. Look, he's been attacked by something huge. He's got a big red blood spot on him. He's at 24. 24. Alright, well, I'm gonna get a picture of him and I'll be back. Alright, you're gonna get this release on this bad boy. Alright, come on, we're coming on you. Oh, he tried to bite me in the air. Just got him out of here. So it was a super good day today. As you guys can see, caught 5 gar, a snook, a crab. So pretty nice day of fishing. Missed a bunch of fish too. But I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, tight lines, and peace out.